What's up, YouTube? Do you want to make as much as $10 just for speaking on a camera for a few minutes? If so, stay with me. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, please stop it already. It's enough. He complains every day. He is so annoying. He used to be on The Simpsons. Not good now. He constantly complains. Homer is right. Just shut up. Okay? Seriously. Enough. Anyway, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you again, Liz Lemon. She says the same thing to me every day, and it's always so sweet to hear what she has to say. Really, really a sweetheart, that Liz Lemon. Now, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we're on a website called IntelliZoom Panel. Now, IntelliZoom basically is a place that you can test websites. You can take some surveys. Now, the surveys that they offer, you can see over here, it tells you exactly what it is. If they have a survey that they want you to think out loud and record a video, and it usually takes about 10-15 minutes to do this. Not a big deal. You get paid on average about $10. If you're just taking a regular survey where you just fill in some information, you get about $2. So are you going to get rich from this? Probably not. But you are going to make some decent money from it. And you could make, $10, $15 an hour easily by doing these kinds of things. And the nice thing is this thing is available worldwide. So basically they will pay you maximum within 21 business days. Usually it's a lot faster because your survey results do have to be approved when you actually go ahead and put it in. They want to make sure that you're giving them accurate information. But this is real money they can really make, and it's very, very easy. You basically can sign up right here. You just click sign up. And let's go ahead and sign up as we're speaking here. Okay. And let's see. So looks like it's got pretty much every country on Earth. I'm going to put down United States, though, because I am an American citizen. Okay. Put my email. All right. And let me put in a quick password. Okay. Okay. Actually, I don't want to get any newsletters from you guys. And boom, I'm in. It's that simple.
Could it really be that simple?
Yes, it really was that simple, wasn't it? Anyway, so I'll have to go and take a look at my email later in order to finish the opt-in. But it's a really, really easy thing to opt in over here, and you can make some decent money out of it. So why not? If you have some spare time, if you're broke and you just need a way to make some extra cash, this is a good way of making some extra cash.
Show me the money.
Yeah, I'm showing you the money right here. This is the money. Anyway, so I hope you found this video helpful, and please go ahead and give it a like, comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you tomorrow.